So to christen the Python v3 SDK release, I thought I would have a demo that would utilize the release, something that I think is pretty cool. At least it's pretty cool for me. It's pretty useful for me. And I think it might be useful for people who publish a lot of content to YouTube. So you can actually take a look at the URL here. It's github.com/deepgram-devs /YouTube-captioner. So this is basically YouTube Captioner. So what I think is unique about this, as most YouTube captioners take the video or the audio stream and then they caption the video as it's happening as you're watching it. This demo is a little different. This is actually a YouTube caption generator that updates your YouTube video, so the content of your YouTube video, and then adds subtitles to the video itself. So this is basically, you have your YouTube channel, you have all your content. In my opinion, with a couple of little manual steps, easily adds subtitles to all of your YouTube videos. So if you take a look and you're interested in this capability, definitely check out this project. I literally just pushed a release 6 minutes ago to use the latest Python v3 SDK. And so that's why you see a release 6 minutes ago. In the repo, in the README, you'll have instructions on how to set this thing up. Just fair warning, the setup is definitely a little intensive, but once you get it going, you'll be able to add captions to your YouTube videos very, very easily and very quickly. And every subsequent version becomes even easier. Why do you even care about adding captions to your YouTube video? I kind of explained here, you want to be able to have people who are hard of hearing the ability to enjoy your YouTube content and also get accurate subtitles for people that are hard of hearing, and also for Google and other platforms to index the content of your YouTube video in a more accurate way. So that's the reason why the subtitling or the captioning is very important to have in your YouTube video. But I thought I'd give you a very quick demo. So I have my YouTube channel right here. So this is all the content I have. I'm going to use the top video as an example of how to use the YouTube Captioner. If I go ahead and this video is the virtual scribe demo that I used in the Go SDK release, the V1 release. And if we take a look at the subtitles here, always by default get Google generated captioning, which in my opinion isn't that great. If you don't want to put the time in to add your own captioning, it's good for not having to do any effort to add captioning. But if you want more detailed and more accurate transcriptions and captioning and subtitles, this is the better way to do it. So if we go back to details, I want to copy my YouTube video link here. I'm going to open a console to the YouTube Captioner project. I have already everything set up according to what's in the README, and then to add the captions for that particular video into and automatically transcribe them using DeepGram and then automatically upload them back up to YouTube. It's really simple. You just go Python caption video YouTube video.py and then URL, and then you paste the URL from YouTube and you literally just hit enter. It automatically is downloading the video from YouTube, and then it transcribes the video and removes the video and only keeps the audio portion of your YouTube content, so that when you upload it to DeepGram, you're only uploading a smaller MP3. So you're reducing the size of what you're uploading to DeepGram. And once the transcription's complete, you have the ability to take a look at the transcription. You can replace, so if we actually go ahead and open the transcription here, which is this is basically the unique ID for my YouTube video. If we open it up in Visual Studio Code, you can see the transcription here. That is what we received from DeepGram. This gives us the opportunity to just replace speaker here with David Von Thenen. So this is right what I'm saying according to based on the timestamps of like what's being said. Should you forget to do this step and you forget to do it and you automatically upload it, there's an opportunity to go ahead and change it. But this basically pauses for you to let you know to take a look at the speaker 0 in this case to the actual name of the person who's speaking it. So you could just do basically find replace speaker 0, David, speaker 1, Bob, what, so on and so forth. Once you've updated the speaker, you can hit continue. Now we need to upload this to YouTube. So upload this transcription that we have to YouTube. And we do that by copying and pasting this URL here, going to our web browser and pasting that in. This is all outlined in the README at the root of the repo. We're authorizing the application. Yes, it hasn't been verified because this is in a dev mode type capacity. I want to go ahead and let it have access. So you're going to take this authorization code. So this is basically doing kind of like a confirmation. Are you sure you really want to do this? So you head and go copy that authorization code, go back to your terminal, you paste it down there, you hit enter. What it will do is it will delete any subtitles that are there by default, and then it will take your transcription that you got from Deepgram, so that SRT file, and it will automatically upload it to YouTube. And so now if we go back to my YouTube channel right here, and we go to subtitles, English default, and I just call it default because it's just default in English, and it was published. So in that one step, if you accidentally forgot to replace your speaker name with the actual speaker, you can go ahead and edit your subtitles here. And you'll notice that it'll say speaker 0. You can just go ahead and type your name in and then hit publish. And then when you go back to your YouTube video, you should see, so I thought it would be cool, your name right there in the captioning there. So yeah, I think this is a very, very cool way of very, very accurate transcriptions to your YouTube content. So YouTube videos that you post. This does it so that people don't have to figure out ways of getting subtitles on their videos. It effectively just adds the subtitles to your videos so that it's accessible to everyone. And I think it's a pretty cool and easy way to add accessibility to your videos. And I thank you for watching the demo. If you have any feedback, please hit me up in Discord. Thanks a lot for watching.